I gotta give it back, spit it so she get it back. Oh, should I talk about this before? Oh, what about style you? She's at the door, I gotta go through mine. Don't say it's such a thing, don't say yeah.
Hi guys, it's Melody. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a new DIY. I transformed an old maxi dress into a super cute back to school romper. If you guys remember, I did do a very old DIY of this porcelain print romper, and everybody and their mother was wondering where I got the romper, and I DIY'd it myself. A lot of people were skeptical as to if I even did it myself, but I did. I just didn't film it because I made it out of like 5 shirts. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys are interested in how I transformed this, just keep on watching. Materials include maxi dress, sewing machine, chalk, scissors, and pins. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this open back by cutting off this lining in vertical slits. And then I'm just gonna separate the top from the bottom from both layers. And then cutting that excess fabric off, and then folding that right in half, and then using the reference shorts by cutting off the fabric with this arc shape, and now unfolding it and then refolding it into the side parts, and it should look something like this. And now with the reference shorts again, I'll be basically cutting that right in half on the sides, having a U-shaped. And now that's done, I'll be cutting those off, and then you will have 2 layers, but make sure that the wrong sides are kissing each other, and so close the sides. And now that that is done, just close the inner thigh area with a straight stitch as well. And now using the excess fabric, we'll be cutting off the wrapped pieces for the front. It looks somewhat like a trapezoid triangle shape, and then cleaning that right up and making sure that you cut from both layers just so that you have the same shape twice. And now I'm just placing it right on top, placing it from where I cut the open back right off, and then just pinning it into place as close as possible to the stripes. And then I just went ahead and sewed that closed, and now it should look something like this. Don't worry about the hole, we'll fix that later. I'm actually going to be cutting off the sides just so that it lands right on the existing seam. And then the excess fabric I used to line the raw edges of the wrapped pieces, and then just use a straight stitch to attach those. And now I'll be attaching the ends of the wrapped pieces on the existing seams just so that they're secured into place. And now that's done, I'll be cutting off the raw edges, as well as sewing close the opened area, as well as the straps. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sleeves by using the ends of the maxi dress. Now that the folded piece is also folded, I'll be cutting those right off to the desired measurement, and then sewing those closed. And now inserting the right side into the wrong side of the romper. And now I'm just attaching the top of the sleeve and then the bottom of the sleeve. So make sure that the right side is within the right side, and then sew those closed. And now to finish up the shorts, just flip them from inside out, and then we'll be attaching some pockets to it from the excess fabric. Basically, I'm going to outline the size of my hand with some chalk, and then cutting that into this type of shape, and then sewing those closed. I also cut slits on the sides of the shorts, and now I'm placing the right side on the wrong side of the shorts and then attaching them with some pins and then sewing those closed. And now it's time to finally attach the top to the bottom. Make sure the top is facing the wrong side while the shorts are facing the right side. And now I'm placing the shorts inside the shirt so that once I sew it closed, it's right side to right side. And now I'm placing some pins and leaving some space for a little tunnel for the self-tie area. And then once that's done, I'm just gonna sew closed everything with the sewing machine. And then using the last but not least excess fabric for the self-tie belt loops. I stretch that enough so that it goes along the whole waistband. But first I'm going to cut slits just so that the belt could go within the tunnel. And now using a safety pin, I'm just gonna tunnel that all over until I get to the end. And then once you're done, just tie it up and you're basically done with your DIY romper. So this is what it looks like up close. I made sure the sleeves are baggy enough for me. The self-tie was superb. I really like how the fabric was stretchy enough. And then the pockets could have used some more sewing, but that's alright. And then I just left the bottoms unhemmed just so that it's a lot more comfortable. But now it's time to style it. Hope you guys enjoyed that DIY. As much as I would love to wear this romper at school, I'm probably wear it in the house because it's such comfy material. And since we're on the topic of back to school, if you guys are interested on the outfit I'm wearing right now, both pieces are from SHEIN. I also have another piece, which is this other gingham dress actually, but I wouldn't really wear dresses in school, so I'm probably gonna DIY this and make it a two-piece set just so that I could wear the top a lot more often because I just love gingham. Since we are in the topic of back to school, I do have some eye goodies to share with you guys. If you guys even noticed, I am wearing contacts right now. They're in the shade Pure Brown and I got them from the company Iris Beauty. I also got a shade called Mineral Green. I just haven't worn it right now because I'm still getting used to this pure brown shade. I did want to, experiment with some color change in my irises. Iris Beauty is a beauty brand based in New York and they are FDA approved. They don't just have contact lenses, they also have makeup for brows, eyes, and lashes, magnetic lashes. If you guys aren't feeling the contacts, I do have some glasses goodies to share with you guys. I got these frames from FIRMOO. I did do a collab with them previously, I think about 2 years ago, but I'm kind of phasing out from the brow line glasses because basically everyone and their mother has them. So I got this super cute tortoise shell ones and they're very wide frames. It's super chic and very versatile because my other ones were all gold frames, so I wasn't able to wear it with as many athletic outfits that I wanted to wear. I've been wearing these a bunch lately, so if you guys do follow me on my Instagram, it is at Injoyy. So if you guys are interested in these eye goodies for back to school, I do have some coupon codes. I think Iris Beauty is Injoyy15 and FIRMOO is buy one get one free for at least $19. So I'll link everything down below in the description box. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and see you next video. Bye!